Cracks. They seem small, but they can be dangerous. Invisible cracks, even more so. Imagine a crack in an airplane wing, or a bridge support. Scary, right? Knowing where these hidden dangers lie is super important. That's why we inspect things. We check for these tiny flaws, but sometimes our eyes aren't enough. We need something more powerful. Enter artificial intelligence. AI is like giving a computer a brain. It can learn things, adapt, and even make decisions based on the data it processes. Imagine a computer that doesn't just follow instructions, but actually understands and evolves. One thing AI is getting really good at: detecting cracks. These aren't just any cracks, they can be tiny, almost invisible to the naked eye, yet AI can find them with incredible accuracy. Even the ones we can't see. These hidden cracks can be dangerous if left undetected, but AI ensures they are found and addressed before they become a problem. How? By using special cameras and sensors. These advanced tools capture detailed images and data that the AI can analyze to spot any irregularities.
These tools capture images. These aren't ordinary pictures. They show heat patterns. They reveal tiny deformations. This thermal imaging can highlight areas of stress or damage that are invisible to the human eye. Things our eyes would miss. Even the most trained professionals can overlook these minute details, but AI doesn't miss a thing.
AI analyzes these images. It processes the data, compares it to known patterns, and identifies any anomalies. This process is fast and efficient, ensuring that no potential issue goes unnoticed. It learns what a normal surface looks like. By understanding the baseline, AI can quickly detect when something is out of place, and it spots anything out of the ordinary, like a hidden crack. This ability to see the unseeable makes AI an invaluable tool in maintaining safety and integrity in various structures. So where is this technology used? Everywhere. Take airplanes, for example. AI can inspect every inch of an aircraft with incredible precision. It can find cracks in the fuselage, wings, even the engines. This keeps flights safe and reliable.
Construction is another area where AI shines. AI can examine bridges, tunnels, and buildings with unparalleled accuracy. It helps engineers find weak points that might be invisible to the human eye. This prevents collapses and accidents, ensuring the safety of everyone.
Manufacturing benefits too. AI systems are revolutionizing the production lines. AI can